He doesn't care if I live hard time. I should know. I've seen both sides. But you're such a great guy. Must be different this time. Takes one to know one, doesn't it? I've been around. Let me know if it's too much. Gets too close when it's time to hit the road. Call it out, wrap up the show when it's time to let you let me know. Did my best way back then, so I can't complain. I'll bet you're doing the same. First one up won't be the last one left. If you beat me to it, then congrats, you're the best. Takes one to know one, isn't it? I've been around. Let me know if it's too much. It gets too close when it's time to hit the road. Call it out, wrap up the show when it's time to let you go. Let me know.
I think
You got a heart to go cut. Realize
love because I don't want to be that person anymore.
why can't you see?
Yep, that's the side of you, bro.
This is I wouldn't want you unless this is non-negotiable. I can't hide it anymore from me.
It's like literally.
Maybe a month or a year from now, I'll find my way somehow back to myself again.
Like at 8. Yeah.
Helium for 17. If I could, I would tie you to a string, but you're not the kind a cowgirl can tie down. Not going according to plan. Some things I just won't understand. Never controlling, wakes up and molding, folding up time in your hands. I wouldn't be surprised if the daylight breaks and you can't stay. You got places to be. It would still be enough for me.